Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see the detailed user experience, the real user experience on using this Exide inverter battery for 4 years. You can say for exactly 4 years. And see here the inverter is 850 volts amperes and the power is 150 Ah. Okay, amperes per hours or something like that. Actually there would be 100, 150, 180 such battery power. This is 150, and the connection for the house with this inverter battery are three fans, two for three bulbs, three fans, three bulbs, and two sockets, two power sockets, means the plug-in power sockets for the mobile charging or the laptop charging. But I'll tell you the real user experience, means uh, during these 4 years how many times the user has used this for the maintenance of filling this water, the pure water we pour, right? There are six valves here. The user has poured six times. Actually for every 6 months we need to fill out this water, but the user has only poured like 8 months, but still it is doing very good. But it is really recommended to do according to the company manual, the company Exide company manual of this inverter. They told us the user to fill up the water or check the water for every 6 months. But yeah, in this year user case it's like for every 8 months, but still it is doing perfectly good. And one more thing, for few times the battery was really got the beep sound, means when it is going to die you'll see some beep sound, right? That happened like 4 to 5 times because the user has used heavy tower fan during the power supply. Immediately when the power supply is gone, that what is that power socket combined turbo fan used the power of the battery, so it went into the dying state. Like that it happened like 5 to 6 times till this battery got survived. And this is fourth year plus running, means 48 49th month, and it is saying like 60-month warranty. 60-month warranty in the sense 5 years. So this is 49th month. Till date there is no issues with this inverter, not even a single issue. The maintenance is like 500 rupees, under 500 rupees, that too for the water only. And this got really good usage, means two fans continuously running for 8 hours when there is power loss, that you can say. And whenever we want to switch off this, you can turn off this or you can turn off the switch there. And if you do have any other questions you can just ask in the comments. And three times, not only three times, like almost like 10 times the user has used 500-watt mixer grinder on this battery only. But this is not recommended to use. But at times the user used like 8 to 10 times they used, but still this was okay and good. But it is not recommended to use high power electronics when you are using on the inverter battery. Yeah, if you do have any other questions you can just ask in the comments.